warm welcome to you all, my dear students. In our previous class under the chapter Factors and Multiples, we have learned few divisibility rules till number 25. So now we shall apply these rules and we shall solve few problems on that. So next we are having exercise number 2. So where we are going to apply divisibility rules in order to solve those sums. So exercise number 2. So under that, A, circle the numbers that are divisible by given numbers. So they have given few numbers and we have to check whether the given number is divisible by that number or not. So we shall take down the heading. Take down the heading, children. So A, circle the number. Circle the numbers by. Circle the numbers that, circle the numbers that are divisible by, the given number, that are divisible by the given number. Under that mean, under exercise 2, in A, there is one small typing mistake in question number 6. So here they have given in question number 6, they have given it as 7. Make a change and make it as 8. In question number 6, they have given the number as 7, whereas scratch that number and make it as 8. Okay. So now we shall see the first sum. We have to check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. So the given numbers are 3,14,234. Next number 71,250. Next 5,10,543. So next we have 12,340. So they have given few numbers and we have to check whether the given numbers are divisible by the given number. So the first question, they have given few numbers and we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. So what is the divisibility rule for number 2? Yes, in the given number, the last digit should be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So the last digit in the ones place, it should be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or is 8. So first we should see the given number. So the first number is 3,14,230. Whether the given number is divisible by 2? Yes, the given number is divisible by 2 because yes, the given number is divisible by 2 because in the given number, the last digit was 4. Therefore, we can say that this 3,14,234 is divisible by, yes, 2. So, we have to circle the numbers that are divisible by the given number. So, this 3,14,234 is divisible by 2 because here in the given number, the last, that is in the ones place is 4. So, the given number is divisible by 2. So, what I'll do? I'll just circle this. I'll just round the given number. So, this 3,40,234 is divisible by 2. Next, we are having 71,250. Now, tell me whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, children. The given number is divisible by 2. Why the given number is divisible by 2? Yes, the last number is 0. So, therefore, this 71,250 is divisible by 2. Next, we have 5,10,543. So, 5,10,543. Whether the given number is divisible by 2? Yes. Whether the given number is divisible by 2? No, the given number is not divisible by 2 because here in the ones place, that is the last digit in the given number is 3. So we know the rule, divisibility rule for number 2, that is in the given number the last digit should be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So here in the given number the last digit, the digit in the ones place is 3. Therefore the given number is yes, not divisible by 2. Next we have 12,345. Whether the given number is divisible by 2? No, the given number is not divisible by 2 because here in the ones place we are having 5. Therefore the given number is not divisible by 2. So here in the first question, the two numbers which are divisible by 2 are 3,14,234 and 71,260. So we have circled the numbers which are divisible by 2. So we have circled the numbers which are divisible by 2. Next question. So question number 2, the given number is 3. We have to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So next we are at the second question. So we have 12,460, 51,294, then 31,428, and then 94,28,876. So now we have to check which of the number is divisible by 3 and therefore circle this one. So the given number is 3. So what is the divisibility rule for number 3? Yes, sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of all the digits in the given number should be divisible by 3. Then only the given number will be divisible by 3. So here first number is 12,460. So we know the rule, divisibility rule for number 3. The sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3. So here the given number is 12,460. Now we shall add. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. So we are checking whether this 12,460 is divisible by 3 or not. So what is 1 plus 2? 3. What is 3 plus 4? 7. What is 7 plus 6? 13. 13 plus 0? 0. So whether the given number is divisible by, the sum of all the digits is 13, and whether 13 is divisible by 3? We shall check. So 13 by 3. So 3? Yes, 2. 3? Yes, 3 4s is 12. So remainder is 1. Whether 1 is divisible by 3? No. So we can say that yes, 13 is not divisible by 3 because here we have 1 as a remainder. So 13 is not divisible by 3. So sum of all the digits in the given number was 13 and 13 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this 12,460 is not divisible by yes. Not divisible by 3. So sum of all the digits in the given number was 13 and 13 is not divisible by 3. Therefore the given number is not divisible by 3. So next number. Next we have 51,294. So now we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So we know the rule. Sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3. Therefore the given number will be divisible by 3. So we shall start adding the numbers. So 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4. So we are adding all the digits in the given number. So what is 5 plus 1? 6. What is 6 plus 2? 8. What is 8 plus 9? Yes, 17. What is 17 plus 4? Yes, 21. So sum of all the digits is 21. Whether 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. So when 21 is divided we added all the digits in the given number and we got 21 as the sum, and this sum is divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that this 51,294 is divisible by 3. Sum of all the digits was 21 and 21 is divisible by 3. So, this 51,294 is divisible by 3. So, here we have to circle those numbers that are divisible by given number. So, here this 51,294 is divisible by 3. So, we shall circle this. So, next we are having 31,420. So, now we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So, now we shall check this whether 31,228 is divisible by 3 or not. So, we know the rule, sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3, then only the given number will be divisible by 3. So, we should start adding all the digits in the given number. So, the first digit is 3, then plus 1, plus 4, then plus 2 and plus 8. So, we are adding all the digits in the given number. So, what is 3 plus 1? 4. So, what is 4 plus 4? 8. What is 8 plus 2? 10 children. What is 10 plus 8? Yes, 10 plus 8 is 18. Whether 18 is divisible by 3? Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. So, 3. 6 is, yes, 18. So, we got 0 as the remainder, which means 3 is divided to 18 exactly. So, 3 is divided to 18 exactly because it is giving 0 as the remainder. So, we saw that sum of all the digits in the given number, that is 31,428. We added all the digits in the given number. We got 18 as the sum. And we saw that 18 is divisible by 3 because 3, 6 is 18. So, we got 0 as the remainder. So, therefore, we can say that this 31,428 is divisible by 3. Because sum of all the digits in the given number was 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that this 31,428 is divisible by 3. So, what we will do is circle the number which is divisible by the given number, that is 3. Oh. Next, we are having 94,28,876. So, now we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So, we know the rule, sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3, then only the given number will be divisible by 3. So, we should start adding all the digits in the given number. Starting from 9 plus 4, then plus 2, then plus 8, again we have 8, then 7 plus 6. So, 9 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 and plus 6. So, now we shall add all the digits in the given number. So, starting from 9. So, what is 9 plus 4? 13. What is 13 plus 2? 15. What is 15 plus 8? Yes, 15 plus 8 is 23. Yes. What is 23 plus 8? Yes, 31. What is 31 plus 7? 38. What is 38 plus 6? Yes, 38 plus 6 is 42. So, we got the sum that is 42. So, 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 8 is, yes, 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 8 is 31. 31 plus 7 is 38. 38 plus 6 is, yes, 40. 38 plus 6 is 44. So, we got the sum that is 44. So, now we are like whether 44 is divisible by 3 or not. We shall see. So 44 divided by 3. So 44 divided by 3. So we know 3 ones is 3. So what is 4 minus 1? 4 minus 3? Yes, 4 minus 3 is 1. So after subtraction we have to bring 1 digit down. So we shall bring this 4 down. So now 14. So whether 14 is divisible by 3? No. So which is the real number? Yes, 3 4s is 12. So 3 4s is 12. So now 2 is remaining. So now 2 is remaining. Whether 2 is divisible by 3? No. We'll get a decimal point. So we'll stop here. So we'll stop here. So we got 2 has the remainder when we divided 44 by 3. So we got 2 has the remainder when we divided 44 by 3. Therefore, we can say that the given number, that is 94,28,876 is yes, not divisible by 3. Therefore, 94,28,876 is not divisible by 3. So, sum of all the digits was 44 and we saw that 44 is not divisible by 3. So, we saw that 44 was not divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that this 94,28,876 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the fourth number in the second question, that is 94,28,876 is not divisible by 3. So in the second question, only 51,294 was divisible by 3. So we have rounded off that number. Next, 31,428 was divisible by 3. Therefore, we have circled it up. So in the second question, only these two numbers was divisible by 3. Therefore, we have circled those numbers. So next we shall see next question, that is question number 3. Now we shall see third question. So here the given number is 4. So now we have to check whether the given numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So first, 1,83,456. Next, 78,920. So next, 7,12,593. Next, 2,17,841. So now we have to check whether these four numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So here they have given few numbers. So they have given 4 numbers. One is 1,83,456. Next number we are having 78,920. Next we are having 7,12,593. Next we are having 2,17,841. So now we have to check in which of these numbers are divisible by 4. So now we have to find out which of these numbers are divisible by 4. So first we shall take 1,83,456. Now we shall check whether the first number is divisible by 4 or not. So before going to that, what is the divisibility rule for number 4? Yes, in the given number, the last two digits should be divisible by 4. Then only the given number will be divisible by 4. So in the given number, the last two digits should be divisible by 4. Then only the given number will be divisible by 4. So first, the given number is 1,83,456. So we know the rule, that is the last two digits in the given number should be, yes, divisible by 4. Then only this number will be divisible by 4. So in the given number, the last two digits is 56. So here, in the given number, the last two digits is 56. So in the given number, the last two digits, that is the ones place and the place we have it, 56. So now we have to check whether 56 is divisible by 4 or not. So now we have to see whether 56 is divisible by 4 or not. So what we will do? 4 ones are 4. So what is 5 minus 4? 1. So next you shall bring one digit down. So now whether 16 is divisible by 4? Yes, 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16. Which gives us 100. Sorry, 0 as the remainder. So we got 0 as the remainder because 4 1s are 4. So when we subtracted 5 minus 4, we got 1. We got one digit down, that is 6. So it is 16. So 4 4s are yes, 4 4s are 16. So we got 0 as the remainder. So we know the rule. The given number is divisible by 4 when the last two digits in the given number is divisible by 4. So in the given number, the first number, that is 1,83,556. The last two digits is 56, and we saw that 56 is, yes, divisible by 4. Therefore, I can circle this number because this 1,83,456 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this 1,83,456 is divisible by 4. Next, we are having 78,920. So next we are having 78,920. So now we have to check whether 78,920 is divisible by 4 or not. So what we should do? Yes, we should see the last two digits in the given number. So we should see the last two digits in the given number. So which are the last two digits in the given number? Yes, the last two digits is 20. So whether 20 is divisible by 4? Yes, children. 4? Yes, 4. 5 is 20. So 4 is dividing 20 exactly because we got 0 as the remainder. So in the given number, that is 78,920, the last two digit is 20, and we saw that 20 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this 98,920 is divisible by 4. So what we will do? We will circle this number. So this 78,920 is divisible by 4 because in the given number, the last two digit was 20 and 20 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this 78,920 is divisible by 4. So next given number is 7,12,593. So next given number is 7,12,593. So now we have to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So we know the rule. So which places we have to see? Yes, we have to see the last two digits, that is the ones in the tens place in the given number. So we know the rule. The given number is divisible by 4 only when the last two digits is divisible by 4. So here we are having 93. So now we should check whether 93 is divisible by 4 or not. So now we have to check whether 93 is divisible by 4. So 4, yes, 2s are 8. So 4 2s are 8. So what is 9 minus 1? Sorry, 9 minus 8. Yes, 9 minus 8 is 1. So next, after subtraction, we will bring one digit down. So 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So after subtraction, we got one digit down, that is 3. So now we are having 30. So which is the near number now? Yes, the remainder. So I got 1 as the remainder. So 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So we got 1 digit down, that is 13. So 4 3 is 12. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So now we got 0 as the remainder. Therefore, this 93 is not divisible by 4. Because here we have got 1 as the remainder. So 94 is not divisible by 4. So 4 is not dividing 93 exactly. It is not dividing 93 exactly. So this number, that is 7,12,593 is, yes, not divisible by, yes, 4. Because in the given number, the last 2 digit was 93, and we saw that 93 is not divided, sorry, 4 is not dividing 93 exactly, which means this 7,12,593 is not divisible by 4. Okay, now we shall see next number. So here we have 2,70,841. So 2,70,841. So now we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. So we know the rule. The last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Then only the given number will be divisible by 4. So here the last 2 digits is 41. So now we shall see whether 41 is divisible by 4 or not. So here in the given number, the last 2 digits is 41. So now we should check whether 41 is divisible by 4 or not. So we know 4 1s is 4 0, and we bring 1 digit down. So remainder is, yes, 1. So we got 0. So 1 has the remainder. So we got 1 has the remainder. 4. So 41 is not divisible by 4. So this 2,17,841 is not divisible by s. Therefore, this 2,17,841 is not divisible by 4, because the given number, the last 2 digit was 41, and you saw that 41 is not divisible by 4. So 41 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, this number, that is 2,17,841 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, in the third sum, these two numbers, that is 1,83,456 is divisible by 4, and 78,920 is divisible by 4. So next we shall move on to fourth question. Three lakhs 27,400, 1,29,505. Next we have 43,20,195. Next we have 7,21,490. So 3,27,400. Then we have 1,29,505. Next 43,20,195. Next we have 7,21,495. So now we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not. So what is the divisibility rule for number 5? Yes, the given number is divisible by 5 when the last digit is either 0 or 5. The given number will be divisible by 5 when the last digit is either 0 or 5. So here the first number is 3,27,400. So now we shall see the last digit. So in the given number, the last digit is 0. Therefore, yes, the given number is divisible by 5. The given number will be divisible by 5 when the last digit in the given number is either 0 or 5. So here in the given number, the last digit is 0. Therefore, this 3,27,400 is divisible by 5. So what will we do? We'll circle this number because 3,27,400 is divisible by 5 because the last digit was 0. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 5. Next, we are having 1,29,505. So 1,29,505. Whether the given number is divisible by 5? Yes, the given number is divisible by 5 because the last digit in the given number is 5. So, the given number will be divisible by 5 only when the last digit is either 0 or 5. Here in the given number, the last digit is 5. Therefore, this 1,29,505 is, yes, divisible by 5. Therefore, 1,29,505 is divisible by 5. Next number. So, next we are having 43,20,195. Now tell me whether this 43,20,195 is divisible by 5 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 5 because the last digit was 5. So 43,20,195 is divisible by 5 because here the given number, the last digit is 5. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 5. So, the given number is divisible by 5 only when the last digit is 0 or 5. So, here the last digit was 5. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 5. Next number is 7,21,490. So, next 7,21,490. Whether the given number is divisible by 5? No, the given number is not divisible by 5 because here in the given number the last digit is 3. So we know the rule, the given number will be divisible by 5 when the last digit is either 0 or 5. So in the given number the last digit is 3. Therefore this 7,21,490 is not divisible by 5 because the last digit was 3. Therefore this number 7,21,493 is not divisible by 5. So only these three numbers in this question are divisible by 3. Only these three numbers in this question, that is question number 4, are divisible by 5. So last number is not divisible by 5 because here in the given number the last digit was 3. Therefore it is not divisible by 5. So enough for today, children. So we have few more sums which we'll see in the next class, children. So revise the divisibility rule for each numbers, then only you will be able to solve these numbers. Okay, children. So practice those rules. So there will be an assignment on this video. So kindly do the assignment